just say that following the communication and address by His Excellency the President to the nation, announcing the passing on of Right Honorable Prime Minister Raila Odinga, this House joins the country in this somber state, and we'll have an opportunity for each and every one of you to eulogize the late Prime Minister tomorrow. Time is likely to move pretty fast in preparation for his official send-off in a state funeral. So tomorrow is the only day available for all of us. Like it was said in Shakespearean England, the Queen is dead, long live the Queen. Raila is dead, long live Baba. And that is the mood in the country. And we shall be sending our condolences to Mama Ida, our elder brother, Dr. Buru Odinga, Senator, Prime Minister's children, Rosemary, Junior and Winnie, and the entire family, and the much larger political family that includes all of us. The late Prime Minister was larger than Kisumu. He was a colossus across the country, loved from Vanga to Kibish, from Lamu to Malaba. So I want to request all of you to be upstanding, to observe a minute's silence.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I beg to move that following the presidential proclamation issued today, 15th October 2025, regarding the passing on of the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, EGH, the former Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya, and pursuant to the provisions of Standing Orders 33A and C, 31, 1, 97, and 259D, this House resolves to, 1, hold a morning sitting on Thursday, 16th October 2025, commencing at 10 a.m. 2, to adjourn until tomorrow, Thursday, 16th October at 10 a.m. 3, to extend its afternoon sitting time tomorrow, Thursday, 16th October 2025 at 2:30 p.m. until midnight. 4, to record its tributes by way of an exceptional motion. And 5, exempt the exceptional motion on the tributes of the House from the resolution of the House of Thursday, 13 February 2025 on limitation of debate on motions and the provisions of Standing Order 97. Honorable Speaker, I beg to move. Honorable Speaker, as you have kindly allow me to take this opportunity to relay my condolences to the family of our former Prime Minister, Mama Ida Odinga, her daughters Rosemary and Winnie, and Raila Jr., and the entire Odinga family. Honorable Speaker, I know we'll have more time tomorrow, and as you indicated, in the interest of time, I don't want to say much at this particular time, but just to say, as you have said, that Raila Odinga has rested. Long live Baba. And we will all remember our Prime Minister as a great Pan-Africanist, the foremost son of Africa and our great nation. We will remember him in many ways, also as a father to our nation and a father to many of us, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, when the news were broken to us early this morning by His Excellency the President, it was a difficult moment because only a few weeks ago, I spoke to the former Prime Minister when he called to condole with me when I lost my dad. And he was upbeat, but he did indicate to me that he was a little bit under the weather and he will not be able to join us. But, Honorable Speaker, I will live to recall how whenever I spoke to the former Prime Minister, he called me my son. And may his soul rest in eternal peace. I think we will have more tomorrow, Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, I stand to second the motion of adjournment. Mr. Speaker, I want to take this opportunity to condole also with the family of my leader and the entire ODM fraternity and membership and the whole country at large, Mr. Speaker, for the loss that we have encountered today of a great man. But Mr. Speaker, I am still coming to terms of what has happened, so I will request you to allow me to do my condolences tomorrow, God willing. Because, Mr. Speaker, some of us had very, very deep relationship with our leader. And we knew death will come one day, but we didn't expect it now. So I will condole tomorrow in the House when you give us an opportunity. But for those few remarks, Mr. Speaker, I second.